Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a C# application that can display your name. First, launch Visual Studio, go to create a new project. For this video we're going to use the console application option. Notice there are two, one is for C#, one is for Visual Basic, but we're going to use C# in this video. After selecting the option, click Next. I'm going to specify a project name of display my name. I'm going to leave it in the default location, and I'll leave the solution name as display my name. Then I'll click Next. As of this video, .NET 6 is the currently supported version and the most recent, so I'll leave it as .NET 6 and click Create. Once the project opens, you'll see one line, console.writeLine.helloWorld. To verify the program works before we actually make any changes, let's just go ahead and run it first. You'll see the application has run, and it has displayed the text "Hello World!" exclamation mark. Now why did it do that? Well, that's because in code we described console.writeLine hello world, and it printed out what was between these parentheses. So now let's modify the application so it displays your name. Here you can type your name. I will just write John Smith. Now when I click the green run button, you'll notice it says John Smith instead of hello world. I will answer any questions you might have below in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.